All right, so the first question we're going to look at, it's saying calculate the bearing of P from from R, P from R. So what we're supposed to do when it comes to bearing, we always take note of the side where it's coming from. So we need to find the bearing of P that is coming from R. So where we're supposed to go, we go where R is. Then if that R doesn't have a true north, we need to make that true north, because all measurements start from the true north. Okay, so we have the true north. Remember, this true north is a straight line that's add up to 180, so we have more like 180 degrees right here. Okay, so now before we continue, we need to also identify the true north for these others. Okay, so now we have another true north for that Q. Okay, so we have that true north, and we also have the true north for P. Okay, so we are going to find the bearing of P from R. So what they're actually asking us is to find this angle. So from R all the way to where the line of P is. So this is in the direction of P. So this is the entire angle that they are looking for. All right. Now that you have done that, what we are going to do is, because we want to find this angle, right? So what we are going to do, we'll simply say this 135 plus that 33 is equal to that angle, because this is perpendicular. This is 90 degrees, all right? This is 90 degrees, it's perpendicular, right? So we are more interested in finding this angle. So how do we find this angle first? And somebody might ask, but why are you looking for that angle? We know that from this point to that, it's a straight line, so we have already 180. Now, for us to know this remaining angle, we are going to find this small angle in the isosceles triangle, in order for us to know that, because since 90 has already been there, so the remaining part, each chance it's also 90, but we are more interested on this part. So we need to first know this angle, then we subtract from 190, then we'll be able to find that. Listen. The angle that they're asking us to find, ichokera up all the way to this point. Then since we already know this is a straight line, and straight lines add up to 180. So we know from this point to that, it's 180. But we don't know this angle. All right. And we take advantage that this is 90 degrees. So meaning the remaining other part is also 90. But we are only interested in finding this other one, kache. So how do we find arc? So that we say arc plus that, then we'll find Yonse. So we first find Yaumu ndezatandizira. So we're going to say 135 plus that 33, okay, plus that unknown angle, 33 plus that unknown angle, let me call it x, is equal to 180. Then you say 135 plus 33, you're going to get 168 plus x is equal to 180. Then you group the like terms. X is equal to 180 minus 168. Then we say, what is 168 minus 180? It is 12 degrees. So this small angle right here is 12 degrees. So ngani 12, for us to know this, we're going to say 90, all right? We're going to say 90 minus 12. And what is that? When you say 90 minus 12, are we going to get 70 something? 78, right? So we're going to have 78 degrees. So now we know this angle here is 78 degrees. So when I say 180 plus that 78 degrees, that's the bearing they are looking for from P from R. It's Jones age in 180 plus 78. So simply say the bearing of P from R is equal to 180 plus 78. And what are we going to get? We are going to get 180 there. Then if you get, it's 258. It's 258, I believe. We can still confirm. So we're going to have 250, 80 degrees. That is our answer. That's our answer.